What's up, guys? In this video, we're going to be talking about insurance for your pressure washing business. So many pressure washing businesses don't realize the importance of insurance and don't even think about the many types of insurance that's available and should be using. So in this video, we're gonna briefly talk about general liability and the 4 basic coverages inside of a general liability policy and how they will benefit you and your business. And then I'm gonna give my recommendation on where you could go to get your commercial general liability. All right, so the first basic coverage inside of a general liability policy is bodily injury. So imagine that you are hired to spruce up the exterior of your client's home, and as you're doing your job, your customer comes out to bring you a cup of coffee, and on the way, he trips over your pressure washing hose and injures his elbow, and that keeps him out of his job. Since general liability covers bodily injury, you could file a claim for his income losses. So it's those slip, trips, and fall situations. The second basic coverage that's found inside of a general liability policy is property damage. So let's say in order to reach your client's porch and power wash it, you have to walk through their home. And as you make your way through their home, your arm accidentally knocks over an art display case and a piece of art falls and breaks, and your customer demands compensation and it's expensive. You could file a claim on your general liability so you don't have to pay for it out of pocket. The third is defense cost. So even if you do everything right, you're still vulnerable to unfounded claims. If a customer files a claim against you, no matter how far-fetched, you're still liable to pay for defense cost. Let's say that your client claims that your power washing caused their paint to chip. And as a result of the paint chipping, their home sold for less than what it was worth, and they sue you for the difference that they think the chip paint caused in the house's selling price. You know that you did a great job and this has never happened to you before, but you're gonna need to hire a lawyer to prove that. A general liability policy will cover defense cost, so you don't have to hire a lawyer out of pocket. The fourth basic coverage inside a general liability policy is medical coverage. So let's go back to that client with the hurt elbow, and let's say that he needs an expensive surgery and you're on the hook for the copay, and it looks like it's going to be a costly operation. But because you have general liability, you avoid paying out of pocket. Now that you know the 4 basic coverages found inside of a general liability policy and how they work, accessing this type of coverage will protect yourself and your pressure washing business from financial risk, and will also help you score more jobs with the added protection that it gives to all parties involved. So I promise to give you my recommendation on where to go to get commercial general liability. Well, the next steps to coverage are as simple as a few clicks below.